I am about to have a conversation with Brandon Moreno, former UFC flyweight champion of the world, where he is speaking Spanish and I am speaking English. All right, Brandon, you want to come out here and show us this?
Live translation.
ये देख तेरा रेबन के glasses.
Yes, so these are the Meta's AR glasses that they were talking about. So the demo they are trying to do is live speech translation. Let's see, Rohan.
अरे
Hey, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo está tu rodilla? ¿Has vuelto a entrenar?
Hey, how are you? How is your knee back training?
Doing well. Knee is doing well. It feels strong. I'm ramping up training. How are you doing? Are you getting ready for your next fight?
Haciendo bien. La rodilla está haciendo bien y sentirse fuerte.
So today we are dropping a limited edition of clear, transparent frames. I think this is neat because it's a neat vibe, right? You can see the technology in them. For the first few versions, we spent so much energy designing the glasses to basically hide the technology, to make them look like normal, stylish glasses. But now I think people are starting to appreciate what makes them special, and I think having a design that celebrates that is pretty awesome.
nothing phone.
Rohan,
Nothing glasses.
कितना tech packed है उस pair of glasses में? Can you chill? Let's do a little bit of analysis. There are two cameras. I
Right.
can clearly see there are two cameras in the front, and in the side they might have a battery pack. Right in the back, they might have
Yes,
a
man.
battery pack. Yes, and they also might have the processor over there. तो Qualcomm के साथ उनका tie up है, so they are using Snapdragons and all those devices. What else would be there? There would be on and off.
सेंसर
but
होगा क्या यहाँ पे?
there could be more than two cameras. So there could be no. I think two cameras are more than enough. Sensors तो बहुत सारे होंगे. Definitely. But this Ray-Ban glasses are not that advanced. They're not AR. They are just for recording videos from your camera.
Yes.
So that is what these glasses. These glasses solve that purpose.
And I think वो live translation दिखा रहा था ना, जिसमें
Yes,
when you travel to other country, it can help you do that translation.
definitely. So what they are using, Rohan, here is small language models. So Llama 3.2 is also launched in 1 billion parameter model and 3 billion parameter model. So these small models can directly work on any edge devices in like phones, edge devices like watches, edge devices like glasses. It could be really small language models that could rule the world actually.
And I think हमने last time discussion भी किया था, right? क्योंकि large language model से ज़्यादा useful will be small language models, क्योंकि वो
Absolutely.
actually वो devices पे जा सकते हैं जो हम day to day life में use करते हैं, right? चलें आगे?
Yes.
Rates that is pretty awesome. This is Orion, our first fully functioning prototype. And if I do say so, the most advanced glasses the world has ever seen. They're not a headset, no wires, less than 100 grams. They need wide field of view, holographic displays, sharp enough to pick up details, bright enough to see in different lighting conditions, large enough to display
Rohan,
a
the
cinema
most
screen over
advanced
multiple
pair
monitors.
of glasses you have ever seen.
Yes, सब यही claim करते हैं, but देखते हैं. मतलब दिख तो रहा है, like I think.
See, there's a lot of things packed in that also. Those glasses, right? They're bulky. So you would see उसके अंदर holographic stuff भी है.
Correct.
There are microprocessors which are basically projecting some light, and your retina is picking that light, and everything has to be crystal clear. Optics बहुत technology pack किया गया है उसके अंदर. It's like वो दिख रहा है इतना सा चश्मा है, but the research behind it has cost them billions of dollars. You can think of it like that.
I think ये पिछले 4 साल से बना रहा है, right? ये तो कोविड से पहले से ही
yes.
ज़करबर्ग ने उसी लिए अपना फेसबुक का नाम भी चेंज किया था.
Yeah. So their reality labs team is making all this, and that's why they moved from Facebook to Meta. And yeah, here they are.
चलो आगे देखते
Working
हैं.
wherever you go, whether you're in a coffee shop or on a plane or wherever you are.
Bro, अब तो ऑफिस वाले प्लेन में ही बोलेंगे लैपटॉप नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, मेटा ग्लासेस लेके काम करो. Join my Zoom meeting now.
Office वाले तो कहीं नहीं छोड़ने वाले.
सेल्स वालों के लिए अच्छा है ब्रो ये, आई थिंक. राइट, मेल्स ही लिखना है उनको, चैट ही करना है और कॉल्स पे जाना है, तो इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट.
Executives roles वालों के लिए this would be a much better device, not for devs who are just spamming code all day. Coding के लिए ये नहीं है. This is just for leisure, fun, new
Yeah.
experience.
या मीटिंग्स एंड जो बेसिकली हाँ जो ऊपर वाले लोग करते हैं, राइट.
Let's go ahead.
and you need to be able to see through them. And people need to be able to see that through them too and make eye contact with you. Right? This isn't pass-through. This is the physical world with holograms overlaid on it. It is a
मतलब कि अब निसार भाई तू सही सब्जियां खरीद पाएगा। ये
अरे
पहन के सब्जी खरीदने
भाई,
जाना।
ये पहन के सब्जी खरीदूंगा तो लोग बोलेंगे भाई तू जा यहाँ से।
पुदीना और धनिया में अब फर्क पता कर पाएंगे हम लोग। क्या बोलता है?
Again, we are talking about no real world use cases as of now. No one is dying if they will not have AR glasses on their chashma. ठीक है, कोई मर नहीं रहा है, कोई भूखा नहीं मर रहा है. The product
new
that no
kind of
one
display
needs for now. The
चलो
product that no one needs for now. Okay.
चलो आगे देखते हैं फिर।
architecture with these tiny projectors and the arms of the
Cameras,
glasses that
projectors.
ये देखिए
Yes,
रहे एक
there
उनका।
are 3 cameras I can see. There's a projector which is there. Go ahead,
shoot
Ron.
light
Let's
into
play more.
waveguides that have nanoscale 3D structures etched into the lenses, so they can diffract light, put holograms at different depths and sizes into the world in front of you. And all of that is directed by custom silicon and sensors that we designed and powered by a battery that fits in the arm of the glasses. It is a absolutely incredible amount of technology to be able to miniaturize and fit into a pair of glasses and a small puck that goes with it to help power the whole thing. They're going to do voice and AI. They're going to do hand
They're
tracking.
going to do voice and
eye
AI, Rohan.
tracking. So
Voice
you
and
can
AI, hand tracking, eye tracking, सब कुछ करेगा. So the way you used to input, like previously we used to have keyboards, no need of keyboards. It can hand track you. You can click, you can hover, you can move around using all these gestures. आई ट्रैकिंग से आप देखोगे वहां पे क्लिक हो जाएगा. हैंड ट्रैकिंग से आप किसको स्क्रीन ट्रैक करना है, बड़ा करना है, छोटा करना है, वो सारी चीजें कर पाओगे. सो इट्स अ न्यू वे ऑफ इंटरैक्टिंग विद कंप्यूटर. मतलब इमेजिन आवर किड्स वुड बी डूइंग लाइक दिस एंड वर्किंग एवरी डे.
उसका क्या होगा? आई थिंक लॉजिटेक ने अभी एक निकाला था ना ईयरली सब्सक्रिप्शन वाला माउस। उसके लिए कंपटीशन है ये अभी हैंड ट्रैकिंग होगा तो लॉजिटेक का वो बिजनेस मॉडल काम नहीं करेगा।
Not everyone is going to use it, Rohan, just like us, right? Our parents don't use laptop that much, but we use laptop a lot. It's part and parcel of our lives. So as we get old, our kids will use these AR glasses and VR glasses. हम इतना नहीं यूज करेंगे. हम बूढ़े लोग, our kids will say, अरे ये बुड्ढों को देखो, लैपटॉप को अभी भी काम कर रहे हैं.
यस, जैसे अभी के लोग नोकिया कीबोर्ड क्वाड्री कीबोर्ड वाला नॉर्मल कीबोर्ड वाला फोन यूज करते हैं।
Yes, definitely.
चल ठीक है, अब देखते हैं आगे क्या बोलता है।
select UI elements by looking at them. Voice is great, but the thing is sometimes you're in public and you don't want to say what you're trying to do with your computer out loud. Hand tracking is neat for controlling different interfaces, but you don't want to like walk down the street like this, right? So I think that you need a device that allows you to just send a signal from your brain to the device. So this isn't just the first full screen, like full wide field of view holographic AR glasses.
Wristband neural interface.
भाई वो बात तो सही बोल रहा है, राइट? जैसे हम भी डिस्कशन कर रहे थे कि या तो बाहर पब्लिक में हम चिल्ला के उसको वॉइस कमांड नहीं दे पाएंगे, राइट? और ना ही हम लिटरली ऐसे कर सकते हैं।
अरे चश्मा मेरे को सही इन्फॉर्मेशन दिखा रे.
करेक्ट। और ना ही हम हैंड जेस्चर से ऐसे वूप 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 ऐसा लगेगा वॉल पे है तो। So I think this is what he is talking about, a wristband that actually controls all
They've
the
actually
screens.
thought about it, Ron. So see, they have thought about how we will be, inculcating all this in our actual world. So they have created a wristband as well, which will be, tracking your hand movements, and you can move around and control your glasses or your VR headset from that as well. So it's not just one thing, it's a combination of glasses, it's a combination of that wristband, it is a combination of a lot of other technology that works together.
Correct. I think let's see.
This is also the first device that is powered by our wrist-based neural interface. We do still have a few things that I want us to keep pushing on before we ship this as a consumer product. We're going to keep tuning the display system to make it sharper. I want to keep working on the design to make it smaller and a bit more fashionable. And we're going to keep we need to keep working on the manufacturing to make it a lot more affordable too. But we have line of sight to all of those things. So we are going to use Orion as a dev kit. We are going to use it mostly internally to build out the software that we need to, but we're also going to work with a handful of partners externally to make sure that we get a diversity of content and just that we can really dial in the software and the experience.
So Ron, basically this is a
the
dev
next
kit
version of this hardware.
Yes, I think वो भी यही बोल रहा है, right? Because it will not come to customer or general public, but they will use it as a lower environment servers.
It's a first version, it's a dev kit. यहाँ पे they will be doing all the trial and errors. And then later on, they will be maturing these glasses. He also told they are going to miniaturize it. So थोड़ा और size कम होगा, वजन कम होगा. They're going to bring in more advanced technology, make it cheaper. So what I think Zuckerberg's vision is that he wants to give it to every person on the planet. Not at least every person, but at least 1 billion people in the planet should have these glasses. That's what I think his vision.
मेरे पास भी glasses हैं सर, मैं replace कर लिया.